Yeah, my name's Ray Varela, and basically I've been a student of aviculture for well over 30 years. I find parrots to be fascinating creatures, and there's a lot of interesting things that they do, and a lot of things that people aren't really clear on, and we'd sort of like to share some of that with you. It's not fancy, but it does the job. It's made from repurposed material. But I was always fascinated with parrots. You know, when I was a little kid, I wanted one. And not so much for their talking abilities. You know, a lot of people want a bird because it talks, and that's never really been a priority for me. I don't care if they talk. Their intelligence and the way they socialize and fit into certain situations has just been fascinating. They're highly evolved social creatures, and the birds that we take out have accepted other species into their social circle. You know, us humans and dogs, and they seem to like to be around children, and it's been a very interesting dynamic working with them in that regard. I've got a small piece of property that has a bunch of large aviaries with birds that I've either raised over the years or acquired from other people. Not really pushing birds to breed. You know, what to do with offspring, and like particular birds that are rare and endangered. I'm okay if they go to nest, but I'm not especially interested in producing birds for the pet market that isn't equipped to deal with the ones that are already out there. I'd like to go take some more trips to the coast and find some nice places, but you got to go scout them out. You know, I don't think it's a good idea just to take birds to an unfamiliar location and turn them loose. You know, routine is really good, and they've got good navigational skills, but you want to make sure they're equipped to handle it. And older birds do better in that regard than younger birds, because they've got more experience and they've had a chance to develop those sorts of skills. It's not the kind of thing that we take lightly. I thought we'd go up to Twin Peaks. It's the highest point in San Francisco. It's got a panoramic view. It's got very few obstacles where birds might be tempted to go sit. We'll see how it goes. Like when we're out in the field and we fly our birds in high winds, it's not so much of an issue because there's not a lot of obstacles and nowhere for them to go. You know, so they'll get tired and they'll come back and they'll sit at the truck. Well, here we are. A little breezy, huh? Yep. It's beautiful. Boy, nice panoramic view, huh? Let's see how our guys are. Hey guys. What you doing? Huh? You ready to come out? Huh? How about one at a time? It's a new place, huh? Have they been here before? They have not. You stay. Come on, Roddy. You stay, White Ear. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Are you a good bird? Huh? Good bird. You say hi? Say hi, Jonathan. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, you're kind of used to the big camera thing, huh? That rather large camera in front of the glass. Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Roddy! Roddy! Over here! Come on! Come on! Did you get that? Yeah. Red-tailed hawk. I saw him look. Hey, over here! Coming back. Over here, Roddy! 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 That looks like him there, yeah, with the raven, huh?
Is he playing?
Come on! Come on! Down here! Down here! That's a hawk chasing him. Over here! Come on! Over here! Over here! Come on! Come on! Buddy. Hey! No, that you saw him when he saw that hawk.
Yeah.
There's the hawk there. I wouldn't be surprised if he went to that tree.
Hello, Rowdy.
Was it Heber?
How are you? You coming back to Ray?
You alright there, buddy?
How does he recognize me now?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. You alright, man? Huh? Well, yeah, the hawk dropped out and chased him.
Oh, wow.
There he goes, see him? Like when I was up there, it's a good panoramic view, but the winds are very strong, much stronger than they appear to be. Sounds like Sam's at Fort Funston. Okay, it's really, really windy up here. We're gonna go to Fort Funston, so we'll wait here for you. Follow the loop all the way around, and when you get to the bottom, turn right. My truck's parked right there.
Okay. Hey, Jonathan.
Hey, Nina. Hey, dude.
There they are. Freezing up here.
We just had a hawk chase, a very serious one.
Ah! I'm glad.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of people think that an encounter with a hawk is instant death for these guys, but it's not. I mean, it certainly could be in the right circumstances with the wrong species. You know, fortunately he was able to evade that one. All right, so we're gonna go see if the other spot is less windy. A bit strong. You stay wide here. You can tell her all about it.
The old adage is, lost days are better than lost birds.
Okay.
If worse comes to worse, I'll take my birds home and not fly them.
Okay.
I was yelling at him. I'm kind of hoarse from yelling, but he seemed to be okay. You know, he was out there, and the hawk was with him, and there was a raven with him, and I yelled a few times, and he broke off and came back. And yeah, I only know of one person that lost a bird to a hawk chase, and it was a bird that didn't fly out much, if at all, and it's a different sort of hawk. That's a red tail. That's a buteo. They're, you know, typically they're rodent hunters. They will chase other stuff, but there's different species that hunt birds that are much more agile and far more of a threat. Fortunately, that did not end badly. I don't know if the door's shut all the way. That'd be some exciting footage as you tumbled out.